welcome back to Spare Time Videos. Today we're going to be working on the 4-door. I've come up with a name for the 4-door. The wife approves. It's going to be also known as the Dirty Turtle. So that's going to be the name of the Jeep. It's green. It suits it. I actually Googled Dirty Turtle, and the only thing I could find actually was an off-road park in like North Carolina. So I'm gonna go with it. Hopefully they approve. But yes, the Dirty Turtle. I've already got in the playlists on my channel. The Dirty Turtle has his own playlists. The JK Tudor has his own playlists. So I'm going to start breaking them up. That way it's a lot easier to scan through my videos. Because today we're actually going to be rotating the tires. I haven't rotated these tires in like 3,000 miles. I don't have a fifth wheel either, so they've kind of starting to wear funky. But the proper way to actually rotate these tires is going to be to take these two out the front, cross them in the back, then bring the backs completely up front. And I'll post something up right here to show you guys the proper way to do that. Okay, so the difference that I want you guys to look at is going to be this right here. You see how that is like button smooth, right? These up here are still there. This is still there. So what's happening is this inner side is getting eaten away a lot quicker than the outside. These are the Mud Claws 37 1250s. Let's move to the back and see if we can tell anything. I think the back are okay. I think the outside wall's wearing on them, as I was trying to really look. But I think the outside tread on these are actually okay. I should have rotated these a long time ago. There's a lot, not a lot, but you can tell there's more tread on these. Alright, so this is going to be the front tire. This is obviously a penny, and it covers right to his nose. So let's come out to the outer tread. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's an optical illusion and there could be more tread back here. I guess it's about the same. Maybe I should be doing this with a quarter. Yeah, there's definitely more tread back here. Alright. We're done messing with them. Done looking. So we'll go ahead and start getting these tires off, jacking the Jeep up, and crisscross applesauce the front ones to the back. Take the back ones straight from the back up front. I'll be holding you. While we're jacking the rear end up, came into a bit of a problem. My jack stands aren't tall enough to hold the tires off the ground. So what we're going to do is we're just going to leave the jack lift under there. We've already loosened our front tires, so we'll take those off, roll them back. We've already loosened the back tires, pull those off, roll them forward. We're just not going to be able to use the safety of the jack stands, but you know, as long as we're careful, we work slowly, make sure everything's done properly, we shouldn't have any issues. Thinking about tomorrow, I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. Now that we have both of our rear tires off, this will be the time to get underneath your vehicle and take a look around and see if there's anything that you see that may look inconspicuous. Check out your brakes. Just check things out while you have your tires off. It's always good to do that. So really quick, I'm just gonna kind of look things over, just like I did the other side. But I just didn't mention it till now. But yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look, and we'll go ahead and take this front tire, passenger tire, to the rear driver's side. Go ahead and roll this one back. So everything looks good. Wasn't not too long ago that this brake line was eating into this rear shock. I never noticed it until I was actually looking at my exhaust one day, and I mean, that could have been a major insult to injury right there. But anyway, yeah, this is a good time to go ahead and check everything over while you're under here, and make sure you don't see anything that sticks out at you. And then once you're done, just kind of looking over everything, go ahead and keep doing what you're doing. Now we're going to take this one. We're going to go ahead and line it up and get it in place. I don't know about you guys, but keeping my Jeep on jack stands in a garage, or any type of car on jack stands in a garage, is kind of, I don't know, it just, to me, there's nothing really safe about it, and it just kind of makes me leery, Let's see. Oh, almost had it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's always good to start with the top. Okay. Let's go ahead and start getting these bolts back on. We'll get them just, snug a little bit, by hand, and then we're gonna go ahead and take that tire and put it on the rear driver's side. But I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. Final missing piece to the puzzle. Front driver. Let's just see how she's gonna line up. And we're done, just like that. That's how you properly change your oversized tires. The difference in what they would do probably at a shop may, vary, but this is what you should do if you're doing this in your driveway. As far as alignment and making sure everything's not going to be out of whack and stuff, we're actually going to take a test drive. Like my big gloves, it's freezing in this garage. So, but anyways, yeah, we're going to take a test drive, see if we get it loud, wah 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 wah, or we may have a. Alright, so we're going to check it out and make sure we don't have any noise. So this is going to be with a hard top. I've been running a soft top pretty much throughout the year, and we swapped it out back for the winter time for the hard top because that's what the wife wanted. So this will be with a hard top on. We'll see what it sounds like. Just by the actual slow pace roll and how aggressive it feels, I have a feeling this is going to be pretty loud. I mean, you can just feel and hear the vibrations. much as I figured. We got a little bit more road noise. This is at 50 miles an hour. Today the high was 40, and I know it was 24 this morning. So it may be time to get air back in these tires and see if it'll dissipate how loud it is. Maybe they're running too flat, or maybe now they're gonna wear better. I don't know. Someone can leave something in the comments and let me know what would be better, to add more air or to kind of leave them low. So anyways, alright guys, so we got our tires rotated. You know, if you guys are a little bit OCD about it, you can go take them, get them mounted and balanced and all that stuff. If it's a little too noisy for you, but I doubt you're going to get anywhere with 37 1250s or you know, any large tire like that. There's no point in really going and get them balanced. But you know, if that's what you want to do, go for it. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe. If this is your first time here, give me a thumbs up. Hope you like some of my other videos and subscribe. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. It's bigman06_. I post a lot of my stuff before it actually comes on video. So I usually, you know, post pictures and stuff on Instagram of what I'm kind of doing currently before I make any of my videos. Take care. Peace out. We'll see you soon.